Today, I'm spilling all the tea on how to get that lethal face card this summer. We're talking next level glow, next level confidence, and next level beauty. And guess what? You don't need expensive procedures or crazy products. Just real, practical tips that will have everyone asking what you've been doing differently. Let's dive right in. Clean up your diet equals clean up your face. What you eat shows up right on your face. Greasy junk food? Puffy face. Too much sugar? Acne. For a lethal face card, start drinking 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Add lemon or cucumber slices for detox. Eat foods rich in vitamins like oranges, carrots, berries, cucumbers, and almonds. Cut down on processed food and avoid soda. Trust me, when you nourish your body, your skin starts glowing from the inside out. Your skincare routine equals your weapon consistency is key. You don't need 10 products, just 3 to 4 good steps. Gentle cleanser, twice a day. Exfoliate, 2 to 3 times a week to remove dull, dead skin. Moisturizer, even if you have oily skin. SPF 50 plus sunscreen. Every morning, no excuses. For extra glow, use a rosewater toner or aloe vera gel. You can also do weekly DIY masks. Turmeric plus honey plus yogurt is my favorite. Do it for 2 weeks straight and people will notice. Groom your eyebrows and lips. Never underestimate how much a clean brow and hydrated lips upgrade your whole face. Shape your brows, either with tweezers, a razor, or salon. Keep them natural but neat. For lips, exfoliate them gently using sugar plus honey. Then use a lip balm with SPF or tint. Try natural pink lip tints or lip oils. It instantly makes you look fresh and well-groomed. Level up your facial features, naturally. Want sharper features without makeup or surgery? Try face yoga or facial massage. Use a gua sha or just your fingers with a little oil to massage your jawline, cheekbones, and under eyes every night. Also, ice your face in the morning. It depuffs your face and tightens the skin. You'll look more snatched, alert, and attractive in seconds. Fix your sleep equal fix your face. I know it's hard, but if you're sleeping 5 hours or scrolling till 3 a.m., your face card will suffer. Lack of sleep causes dull skin, dark circles, and breakouts. Start sleeping 7-8 hours every night. Use a silk pillowcase and try sleeping on your back to avoid fine lines. You'll wake up looking more rested with brighter skin and no puffiness. Hair framing the face. This is such a simple trick but makes a huge difference. Your hairstyle should suit your face shape. Soft layers, curtain bangs, or wispy front pieces can frame your face beautifully and make it look slimmer or softer. Also, keep your hair healthy and shiny. Oil once a week, use less heat, and trim split ends. A glowing face with frizzy hair won't give that lethal vibe. It needs to be a full package. Your vibe makes you attractive looks matter, yes, but your energy makes your face unforgettable. Smile more, stand straight, speak with confidence. People remember how you made them feel. Stop comparing yourself to others on social media. Be you, confidently. That glow from inner peace is more powerful than any highlighter. Enhance with light makeup. Even if you're not a makeup person, a little goes a long way. Concealer under your eyes, clear brows, a bit of mascara, a tint on cheeks and lips equals instant 10-10. Use highlighter on your cheekbones and inner corners for a summer glow. But remember, makeup should enhance your face, not hide it. Daily movement for that snatched look. Exercise increases blood flow to your skin and helps remove toxins. You don't need to hit the gym. Walk daily, stretch, or do 10-minute workouts at home. It slims your face, brightens your skin, and makes your features sharper. Smell good, look hotter. Sounds weird, but trust me. Smelling good instantly makes you 10 times more attractive. Use a soft deodorant, spray a light perfume on your neck and wrists, and keep mints or lip balm in your bag. Looking clean and smelling fresh is part of a killer face card. Eye area. Most underrated feature eyes are the first thing people notice. To make your face look more attractive, focus on brightening your under eyes. Use cold spoons, green tea bags, or under eye patches in the morning. So babe, there you have it. These are the real, simple, but powerful ways to upgrade your face card this summer. You don't need to change yourself. You just need to take care of what you already have. Your glow is your power, and you deserve to feel beautiful inside and out.